This is an urgent update for all Bitcoin holders and crypto traders alike. Right now, the market is teetering on the edge of what could be an all-out collapse. Are we seeing signs here from the bulls that we could potentially be headed back up? Or, my friends, is this going to be a straight line deep down into the crypto abyss? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now let's begin here by taking a trip down memory lane. If you've been subscribed to this channel since 2021, then you would remember that the Dawn perfectly called that market top. I said, ladies and gentlemen, all of the patterns, this potentially bearish rising wedge was there. Many of the momentum indicators that I feature on this stream had all started to turn bearish, and I was shouting from the rooftops that this to me was an absolute warning shot fired. And at that point, nobody wanted to listen. All of the moon boys, Kirby, you just sound like a broken record. Even a broken clock is right twice a day. They come up with every excuse in the book to try and keep that cult mentality alive. We're going to the moon, Kirby. My $600 stimulus check. I'm gonna be a multi-millionaire. And then what happens, folks? Whoopsies! They take a plunge deep down into the crypto abyss. And if you remember, the Dawn shorted the majority of this move to the downside. Shout out to my VIPs. I know you guys remember the Dawn shorting this trip all the way down. And now here, in the current day, ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting a very similar vibe. Everybody telling me this is just a dip. Kirby, you just don't understand. The technology, it's different this time. Well, let me tell these moon boys something, folks. I've been in this space for a very long time. I've been in this space probably before the majority of you ever even heard the word Bitcoin. That's just the truth. And right now, what I'm seeing here is a market that's showing potential signs of macro weakness. You can see right up here, we do have a relative double top formation. Right now, we're seeing that the Bitcoin price is clinging on by a thread to this last macro support level, which if it drops, folks, we could have a trapdoor scenario that could bring the Bitcoin price not only down towards this area around 20,000, but in my opinion, possibly down towards this green box range, down between 14 and 11,000 USD. Now, that may seem a little crazy to you, a little irrational, and that is a macro view. I'm not saying that this would happen in a week or a month. This could take quite some time if it ever does happen. But right now, this double top that we're seeing here, the loss of this red box range, which was green on my chart for a while as possible support, but we fell right through it. We're looking to possibly backtest it now. But if this does wind up becoming a ceiling of resistance here, folks, and we test up and start to plunge again, well, just like I was saying back here, this to me is an absolute warning shot fired. All right. The state of the market right now is a fragile one. I'm not going to sugarcoat this here for you. You all know that I love to play this market both up and down. I do not care which direction the market is trending in. I only care about trying to keep myself on the right side of the move. If that's down, then I'm going to look to potentially play it down. If that's up, then I'm going to look to potentially play that up. And if you are subscribed here and or a member of my VIP, you guys would know that I went short there at 40,100, posted that trade setup idea for all of my VIPs. Let's get this crypto. So right now, the Dawn has been riding this bad boy deep down into the crypto abyss. And at this point, folks, I've closed out that entire position right here, right now. Closed some down in the 35K range, closed some more in the 36K range, and the Dawn struck gold. The Dawn struck gold. The Dawn struck gold. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not already in my VIP, I will be posting my next real-time trade setup idea, entry idea, strategy idea, etc. for you exclusively in VIP. So if you're not already a VIP, seriously, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Folks, do not miss my next trade setup idea in VIP. So let's talk a little game theory here, all right? I'm going to pull up the Wall Street cheat sheet psychology of a market cycle here. And you guys know that I love to look at this from time to time. And back at the 65K top, when I was shouting from the rooftops that, folks, this looked dangerous, everybody was saying, well, Kirby, this isn't a blow off top. We haven't gone up in a straight line and we can't possibly crash right down. But if we take a look here, folks, actually, I do believe that, one, it was a blow off top this way. And now we've had this weird scenario here where we had a reaction rally back up, which it does kind of look like a blow off top again. I mean, it's hard to argue when you see the price move up in a relative straight line and then drop in a relative straight line for over 50% to the downside. Something is wrong. And if we take a look here at the total 2 symbol ticker on TradingView, which is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, so it's basically just the altcoin market cap, you can see, folks, it looks like we've had a double blow off top scenario here. On the first one, I was saying that you better watch out because this could be front running the Bitcoin price, that we see the blow off top occur in the altcoin market first, and then Bitcoin could be next. Obviously, we've had this little double run up, which again, if we come back to the Bitcoin chart here and go all the way back in history, deep into 2013/2014, at that time, all of the Moon Boys were saying, Kirby, it's a double bubble. Don't you understand? Look at 2013 and 2014. It's going to happen just like that. Well, I mean, to their credit, I do think we did just have something like that, where sure, the run up wasn't as massive, but we did stick in a new all-time high. And if you look at it, it really was somewhat like a double bubble, just minus this massive moonshot of a move. But we did climb to a new all-time high after dropping roughly 50% to the downside. So, Moon Boys, I know it wasn't the double bubble that you were looking for, because the cult mentality was telling you that no matter what, Kirby, even if I bought the all-time high, I'm a hodler and it's gonna go much higher. I know it. Well, maybe this time, little Jimmy, you did get your double bubble, but it wasn't as high as you wanted. And right now, if we lose this key area here at about 29,000, 28,000, around that range, the trapdoor could potentially open, folks. And I've seen this trapdoor open before, right? Back here in 2018. I was telling you, watch out for the potential trapdoor, because if it gives way here, that we could see a plunge way deeper than these Moon Boys would like to believe. There we go. We got it. Over here in 2019/2020, I told you, folks, watch out. If the trapdoor opens, we could see a plunge deeper than these Moon Boys would like to believe. And boom, we got it. Then again, the cult tried to say, well, Kirby, what you said doesn't matter because there was a black swan event. Well, black swan event or not, I mean, the trapdoor opened and we plunged. So, I mean, again, I'm just telling you guys this because if you are subscribed to this channel, you would know I don't sugarcoat anything. This is the most realistic and most must-see Bitcoin analysis channel you're ever going to find. So if you're not already subscribed, seriously, hit that thumbs up button for the algorithm, then hit the subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you get the notification every time I upload. Welcome to the channel. But I'm just saying this for you all so you understand my mentality right now. This to me appears to be another potential trapdoor. And if it drops, you have the entire Bitcoin cult, the crypto cult in general. The other thing they say is, it will never drop below the past all-time high because it's never done that before, Kirby. I mean, what does that mean? Look yourself in the mirror and say that to yourself. That's just absolute nonsense. These markets do not have to respect anything, okay? Bitcoin has only been around for less than 15 years. You must understand, right? So just because something hasn't happened in a market that has only had several cyclical runs, there are going to be times where those cyclical occurrences in the past are no longer respected. And what I'm telling you right now is that 28K, if broken, is too close to 20K with a possible free fall range here that has no support or resistance built around it at all, in my opinion, to say that 20,000 must be the absolute low, because in the past we have not seen it drop below an all-time high. Let's get this crypto. The Don is standing on the soapbox here today, folks, but it's at that point in the market right now where I feel like many are either going to be huge winners in this space, or many are going to be huge losers in this space. And that's why I labeled the thumbnail today that they'll lose everything. Sure, maybe not everything, but darn near close to everything if this market does continue to drop and they don't develop a strategy for themselves to potentially crush it and get this crypto. And that's why I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, that's why I went short there at 40,100. That's why I'm going to be looking to hedge my bets across the board. That's why I'm watching this market day in and day out like a hawk with an eagle eye, looking to potentially crush it and get this crypto. This is the time, folks, where many will get caught like a deer in the headlights. This is a time where many will take that trip to Wreck City with Average Joe and dreams at the water cooler. And I'm going to do my best to not only not get wrecked, but potentially crush it like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can and get this crypto to the best of my ability. So, ladies and gentlemen, right now, watch out for the trap door. Watch out for a potential resistance up here in my red box range between 38,000 and 42,000 if we are to see a bounce. Watch out to see if the bears create a new resistance ceiling here. All right. What I'm doing currently is monitoring the action around the clock. You guys know I use all sorts of indicators and everything like that, but I don't want to keep this stream too long. I will feature more indicators on the next stream. So as I already said, make sure you're subscribed with the bell ticked and all selected so you get the notification next time I upload, because I will be featuring many indicators. And as I stated earlier, folks, I've already closed out of this absolutely juicy short trade setup idea, all in here between 35,000 and 36,000. The Don truly struck gold again. So right now, if you're wondering, well, Don, what's your next play? What's your next trade setup idea? I'm telling you, folks, today is truly the day. Join VIP right now after this video if you're interested in all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, strategy ideas for all of this potential madness that's about to occur here in this market. I will keep you up to date in real time with all of that. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Don't miss my next one, folks. Let's get this crypto. And if you enjoyed my speculative opinions and analysis here today, all I ask for is a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell and select all so you don't miss my next upload. And of course, drop a comment if you got this far in the video. Say, thanks, Kirby. Get wrecked, Kirby. I see what you see, Kirby. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for that. And until next time, my friends, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Seriously, do not miss my next important VIP trade setup idea and alert. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. CryptoKirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. CryptoKirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. CryptoKirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. CryptoKirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. CryptoKirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.